Hello everyone! Do you worry about small testicles? Do you wonder how to get bigger balls? In this video today we'll explore different methods said to increase testicle size and their credibility, so as to help you clear out the confusion on this controversial question. My name is Célie Odile and I am here to help people get the fulfilling sex life they deserve, living from their hearts. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new tips and videos. Testicles are responsible for producing and storing sperms, but they are also the primary source of testosterone, the essential male hormone. The average size of male testicles varies, but the normal range is between 1.6 to 2.4 inches, which is 4 to 6 centimeters in length, and from 0.8 to 1.6 inches, which is 2 to 4 centimeters in width. And it is common for one testicle to be slightly smaller than the other. It is also common for a testicle to hang slightly lower than the other. Smaller than average testicle size can occur for different reasons. Mainly this is because of abnormal low level of testosterone in the body. Many factors can affect your testicle size, for example, simply genetics or any hormonal changes. And of course, testicles can also shrink naturally. It's the case in any change of temperature, for example, and it is the case as you get older. As the body ages, your testicles grow smaller, and it is a natural and gradual process. And as a reminder, the size of your testicles has little to no impact on their functioning. Can you increase your testicle size? Well, let's be realistic. There is absolutely no scientific proven way to increase testicle size. However, we can find anecdotal stories of men who, by changing their diet and lifestyle, have claimed to increase the size of their testicles. And you can follow the tips I'm going to share with you to maintain a good testicle health and so size. Nevertheless, a lot of techniques are described on the internet, and some of them can be even harmful. And I don't want you to hurt yourself. So let's talk first about what not to do, about what to avoid, if you want to increase your testicle size safely. Let's talk first about scrotum manipulation. Many exercises on the internet tell you to massage and pull on your scrotum. The scrotum is the sac that is around your testicles, that holds your testicles. But pulling too hard on your scrotum skin can really damage the skin, the nerves, the blood vessels. It can result into intense pain, soreness, aching, or even bleeding inside the scrotum. So I really do not recommend it. And the most important thing is that it has no effect on your testicle size. It doesn't work. The same is true with hanging weight on your scrotum. It's more commonly recommended for penis stretching, but some tips out there say that hanging little weights on your scrotum skin may help your testicles look bigger. It's not true, okay? It has no effect, absolutely no effect on your actual testicle size. And it can cause strong scrotal tissue damage. What about rubbing, massaging, and squeezing the testicles? Well, many people talk about this exercise to increase testicle size. Pushing or squeezing the testicles can feel really uncomfortable or even painful if you do it too hard. Injury or damage to the testicles can also affect your sperm count, right? Because sperm are produced in the testicular tissue. Let's talk now about Botox injections. Injecting Botox in your scrotum skin to make your testicles look bigger is unfortunately an increasingly common practice. But because Botox is a neurotoxin, injecting Botox in your body can lead to long-term complications, such as blurred vision, which is a common side effect, difficulty swallowing or speaking, fatigue, or even it can lead to irregular heartbeat. So I would not recommend it. It can cost you thousands of dollars and it has a very long list of side effects. What about surgery? Plastic surgery procedure to tighten the scrotum skin and make the sac look bigger are more and more common. There are as well testicular implant procedures, but you might end up with a testicular bulge, and it may make your penis look smaller and reduce the depth of your penetration. This surgery is not recommended for men with healthy and functioning testicles. It's usually used in case of trauma or cancer. Of course, like with any surgery, there is a chance of complication, like infection, injury, necrosis, the side effect of anesthesia, and it can cost you thousands of dollars. So, as you can see, exercises are ineffective, and injections and surgery can really be dangerous. But you can still do something. You can try the tips I'm going to share with you now to keep your testicles healthy and strong, and so to maintain their shape and size. Tip number 1, get adapted and comfortable underwear. It's good to get loose and breathable undergarments so as to maintain an optimal temperature and to reduce any constriction around the testicular area. So it's good to avoid briefs. It's good as well to moderate heat exposure. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures, such as in a hot bath, for example, or in a sauna, may adversely affect your testicular health. So limiting this exposure to high temperature can be really beneficial. Tip number 2, adapt your diet. Adopting a healthy diet that helps maintaining levels of testosterone in the body might be the most effective thing you can do to enhance your testicle size in the long term. Adopting a Mediterranean diet is one of the most popular options. It consists in nuts, whole grain, legumes, fruits, vegetables, garlic, and olive oil. Not too much fish, not too much meat, and 1 glass of wine with each meal. The nutrients in the Mediterranean diet helps improve blood flow throughout the body, so including your testicles. And it is full of antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress, which impact negatively your testicular function. If you're used to eating processed food, then it's going to cause inflammation in your body. It's going to reduce testosterone levels and prevent blood circulation, which going to impact negatively your testicle health and size. It's good to be careful also with soya, which is full of estrogen, which is the female hormone. Yeah, and it's good to be careful as well with your alcohol intake. Yeah, because excessive alcohol intake or excessive consumption of soya can really impact your hormonal balance. So it's better to shift to a diet that supports testicles wellness. Another good thing you can do is to eat yogurts. According to a study conducted at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, yogurt seems to be an excellent food for testicular health. Its consumption was said to help grow larger testicles. However, the study was only conducted on animals, so we have no real evidence concerning humans. But anyway, eating yogurt is good for your testicular wellness and so for your testicles shape and size. Tip number 3, you can consider taking food supplements. I would like to talk to you about one supplement that is a probiotic that is becoming quite famous on the internet right now to increase testicle size. It's called Lactobacillus reuteri. It's a probiotic typically taken to help the digestive system. The scientific evidence that Lactobacillus reuteri does anything to expand testicle size comes from one single study conducted in 2014 that found that one strain of the bacterium helped reduce testicular shrinkage in mice. Since then, it has become very popular on the internet, and it is said to be the miracle supplement to get bigger balls. And you can read in forums on the internet that some men using it for a few weeks reported a noticeable increase in their testicle size, while some others no, not at all, or little effects. Yeah. And some people as well reported side effects. The evidence concerning the impact of this probiotic on testicle size is very controversial. So it's good to keep distances with this so-called miracle supplement to increase testicle size. And let me know in the comments if one of you has already used this probiotic to increase testicle size and what was your experience with it. To improve your testicular health and size and shape, you can as well take zinc and vitamin D. Both nutrients are essential for testosterone production, and zinc is an effective testosterone booster. Foods rich in zinc are, for example, oyster, beef, nuts, and foods rich in vitamin D are more often fatty fish. And it's good to spend some time outside. Sunlight exposures helps you get high amount of vitamin D, which help increase testosterone. And so try spending at least 15 minutes a day in the sun, or you can consider taking vitamin D supplements. And I wanted to talk to you as well about vitamin A. Some studies have found that vitamin A enhances the production of sperm in the testes. But however, there is no scientific evidence that say it increases testicle size. And you will come across many claims telling you to use vitamin A supplements or cream to increase your testicle size. Vitamin A increases sperm production and helps testicle health, but there is no proof that it can really increase testicle size. Tip number 4, adopt a healthy lifestyle. And the first thing that you can do to achieve that is to exercise. It can play a pivotal role in enhancing testicular health and so their shape and size. Regular weight training, for example, is known to help boost testosterone and so to maintain healthy and strong testicles. Exercises like squat or deadlift that actually engage a large group of muscles are particularly effective. You can also do yoga and pelvic floor exercises. Pelvic floor exercises in particular can enhance blood flow to the genitals area and so to help supporting testicular function and health. Incorporating these exercises into a regular fitness routine can really contribute positively to the health of your testicles and so to maintain their shape and size. It's good as well to do what you can to minimize or better manage your stress. So please remember to relax, to listen to music, which can be really effective, to watch a good movie, to go and see some friends, to enjoy life. And you can try as well some mindfulness technique, like for example, yoga or meditation. It is very important as well that you get enough and good quality sleep because it is closely linked to levels of testosterone in your body. So ensuring adequate sleep and sufficient rest helps you maintain the optimal functioning of your testicles. If you experience pain, swelling, abnormal growth, or any other symptoms concerning your testicles, then please go and seek a medical advice. So, if you follow the tips I just gave you, you will be able to maintain your overall testicular health and so to get strong, healthy, and big testicles. And as a reminder, the size of your testicles has absolutely no impact on pleasure intensity and sexual satisfaction in bed. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more amazing sexual tips and information, you can click on the video on the playlist right here. Leave a comment, your feedback is important to me. You can push the subscribe button, it helps a lot. Hope to see you in the next video and have an amazing day. Bye.